In the vast expanse of the cosmos, where the known and the unknown collide, there exists an unimaginable clash of forces. A battle so intense it transcends time and space itself, where the destinies of stars hang in the balance. This is the ultimate showdown, a cosmic contest between two celestial giants, the Sun and the Neutron star. Imagine standing on the edge of the solar system, looking out toward the heart of the Milky Way, where the stars twinkle like diamonds in the deep velvet of night. Amidst this grand tapestry of cosmic wonder, one star stands as the source of our existence, the Sun. A blazing ball of fire and gas, it has illuminated the Earth for billions of years, nourishing life with its warmth and light. But what if, in the grand dance of the universe, the Sun itself had to face an opponent so dense, so powerful, that its very nature could defy the laws of physics? To understand the stakes of this celestial battle, we must first venture into the depths of what makes these two giants so unique. The Sun, our closest star, is a nearly perfect ball of hydrogen and helium, constantly undergoing nuclear fusion at its core. It burns at an astounding temperature of 15 million degrees Celsius, its immense gravity holding the solar system together. It is the heartbeat of our cosmos, a star that powers the very fabric of our existence. But even the Sun is not immune to the inevitable forces of the universe. In the distant future, its time will come to an end. Over millions of years, it will exhaust its hydrogen fuel, expanding into a red giant, engulfing the inner planets, including Mercury, Venus, and perhaps even Earth. In this fiery death, it will shed its outer layers and leave behind a small, dense core known as a white dwarf. But this process will take eons far beyond the scale of human life. Now, picture the neutron star, a remnant of a once massive star, but one that has undergone a cataclysmic explosion, supernova. When a star of sufficient mass exhausts its nuclear fuel, its core collapses under the weight of its own gravity, crushing atoms and compressing them into an infinitesimal space. The result? A neutron star, a compact, dense object with a mass greater than that of the Sun, but compressed into a sphere no larger than a city. Imagine a star so dense that a single teaspoon of its material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. It is a place where the laws of physics stretch and bend, where matter is in a state of extreme compression, and where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. Now, let us ponder the unimaginable reality of what would happen if these two forces were to collide. If the Sun and a neutron star were to come together, the forces at play would be beyond comprehension. The immense gravitational pull of the neutron star would distort the Sun's outer layers, tearing them apart in a cataclysmic explosion of energy. In the vacuum of space, a shockwave of unimaginable intensity would ripple outward, sending cosmic debris and radiation hurtling into the vastness of space. The fusion process at the Sun's core would be disrupted, its stability shattered as it spirals toward its inevitable end. Yet, even in this violent confrontation, the Sun would not go down easily. Its immense gravity, its mass, and its power would create a gravitational tug-of-war. The neutron star, with its compact density and ultra-strong magnetic fields, would create a formidable opponent. But it too is vulnerable. The collision could release enough energy to trigger a gamma-ray burst, a burst so powerful that it could outshine an entire galaxy for a fleeting moment in time. As the cosmic battle unfolds, we are reminded of the impermanence of all things. The universe, in all its magnificence and ferocity, is a place of constant change. Stars are born, live, and die in an endless cycle of creation and destruction. The Sun, once the cradle of life, will one day fade into history, leaving behind only the whispers of its past. The neutron star, a remnant of a long-dead giant, will continue to spin, a silent sentinel in the cold vastness of space, a monument to the forces that shaped its existence. In the face of such cosmic power, we are left to wonder, what does this battle mean for us? What does it mean for life, for the Earth, for humanity? We are but fleeting visitors in the grand expanse of the universe, caught in the middle of a cosmic drama that has been unfolding for billions of years. And as we look to the stars, we are reminded that, in the end, everything must return to the cosmic fabric from which it came. Every star, every planet, every being, and every moment of life is part of a much larger story, a story written in the stars, a story that will continue long after we are gone. As we gaze deeper into the fabric of the cosmos, the battle between the Sun and the neutron star becomes more than just a theoretical collision of forces. It becomes a reflection of the universe's deepest truths. At its core, this contest symbolizes the unyielding march of time and the inevitable fate of all things, from the smallest grain of stardust to the largest galaxies. The Sun, though massive and life-giving, is but a middle-aged star in the life cycle of the universe. It is part of a class of stars that will eventually exhaust their nuclear fuel and transform. As the Sun ages, its core will contract, its outer layers will expand, and it will begin a journey toward a fiery end. In this final phase, it will undergo a series of transformations from red giant to white dwarf. The Sun's final death throes will not be as dramatic as the violent supernova that gives birth to a neutron star, but it will mark the end of an era in our solar system. On the other side, the neutron star, born from the explosive death of a massive star, is a product of the universe's most extreme conditions. It is a remnant of the most violent processes in nature, where matter is packed into a state of pure density, where time and space are twisted beyond recognition. The formation of a neutron star is an event so immense that the force of the explosion can trigger the creation of gravitational waves, ripples in space-time that stretch and compress the very fabric of reality itself. It is these same waves that would carry the echoes of such a cosmic battle across the universe, reverberating through space as a reminder of the violence that created these celestial giants. What makes the neutron star particularly captivating in this cosmic contest is its magnetic field. An ultra-powerful, nearly unimaginable force, the magnetic field of a neutron star can reach intensities 1 billion times stronger than any magnetic field we encounter here on Earth. This magnetic power can accelerate particles to nearly the speed of light, creating jets of radiation that shoot out from the poles of the star like beacons across the darkness of space. The Sun, by comparison, has its own magnetic field, a less extreme but still powerful force that creates solar flares, coronal mass ejections, and beautiful auroras here on Earth. Yet, in a battle of magnetism, the neutron star's magnetic might would overshadow the Sun's, creating a force that could destabilize even the Sun's core. The collision of these two stellar behemoths would not just be a momentary clash. The aftermath of such an event would send shockwaves throughout the surrounding space, affecting the nearby stars, the interstellar medium, and even the very space-time itself. If the neutron star were to disrupt the Sun's core before the Sun's natural death, the consequences could be devastating. The Sun's energy output could become erratic, causing catastrophic fluctuations in the solar system. Planets could be thrown off course, their orbits disrupted by the gravitational forces at play. The Sun's core, once a steady fusion furnace, could collapse inward, creating an unstable reaction that might lead to an explosion far beyond anything we've witnessed before. On the other hand, if the Sun were to reach the neutron star before its end, the Sun's vast outer layers could be stripped away, dragged into the neutron star's immense gravity well. The intense gravitational interaction would compress the Sun's outer gas into a superheated plasma, creating an enormous burst of energy. In the process, the Sun could lose a significant portion of its mass, reducing its ability to sustain nuclear fusion. The resulting explosion might trigger a gamma-ray burst, one of the most energetic events in the universe, capable of wiping out everything in its path across vast distances. These scenarios are not merely theoretical speculations. They serve as a reminder of how fragile our place in the universe is. The Sun has provided the energy and conditions for life on Earth for billions of years. Yet, even as we stand beneath its warm rays, we know that the Sun's time is finite and the forces of the universe will eventually catch up with it. The neutron star represents one of those forces, a force that is born from the destruction of a once great star, a force that embodies the destruction of life and the continuation of the cosmic cycle. As we explore the boundaries of our understanding, we are reminded of the vastness and complexity of the cosmos. There are forces at work in the universe that are beyond our imagination, forces that shape the very nature of time, space, and life itself. The ultimate showdown between the Sun and the neutron star is not just a clash of two objects, it is the collision of life and death, light and darkness, creation and destruction. And yet, even as the Sun and the neutron star battle it out in the cold emptiness of space, life on Earth continues. We stand as mere spectators, witnessing the grand unfolding of cosmic events that have been taking place for billions of years and will continue long after our time. It is in this vastness that we find our place in the universe as tiny beings caught in the middle of a grand cosmic drama that stretches far beyond our understanding. The Sun will burn out, the neutron star will fade, and in their place, new stars will form and new life will emerge, continuing the eternal dance of creation and destruction. As we peer into the infinite expanse of space, we are reminded of the delicate balance between creation and destruction that shapes the universe. The Sun and the neutron star, in their cosmic dance of power and fate, represent the forces that govern the very fabric of existence. Their battle, though distant and almost incomprehensible to us, echoes the eternal cycle of life, death, and rebirth that continues to unfold across the cosmos. In this vast, uncharted wilderness of stars, planets, and galaxies, we are but brief witnesses to the magnificent chaos that surrounds us. Yet, as we stand at the edge of our understanding, one thing is clear: the story of the universe is far from over. There are still countless mysteries to uncover, countless phenomena to witness. The celestial giants that have shaped our solar system and the cosmic forces that govern the galaxies will continue to inspire wonder, curiosity, and awe for generations to come. If this journey through the stars has sparked something within you, something that stirs the soul and ignites the imagination, then join us on this incredible exploration. Subscribe to Cosmos Explorer, and together, let's continue to explore the wonders of the universe one discovery at a time. Keep your curiosity alive and your gaze always turned upward, because the cosmos is waiting and its stories are just beginning to unfold.